Behind curtain number 1 is correct.
Wait. You don't remember what she looks like?
Hey, just make something up.
Oh, what you make is gonna get it.
And get on too.